The location and bulb type of your Ram truck's license plate light depends on the model year. For 2009 to 2018 Rams, the light assembly is typically under the tailgate or in the rear fascia, secured by screws or clips. Open the tailgate to access it. Disconnect the wiring harness. These models usually use replaceable incandescent bulbs like 194 or 168, 12 volts, 5 watts. For 2019-2021 Rams, the light may be integrated into the taillight cluster and use LEDs. Note whether the light is easily accessible or part of a larger assembly. Gather your tools. A screwdriver, pliers, or plastic trim tools may be needed. Disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Wear gloves to avoid burns. Once accessed, unscrew the light assembly using a screwdriver. Next, unclip the bulb socket from the assembly. Pull out the old bulb carefully. If replacing with an LED, ensure correct polarity using the bulb diagram. Reassemble the socket and light assembly. For 2009 to 2018 models, upgrade to aftermarket LEDs for longer life, 50,000 plus hours versus 1,000 to 2,000 for incandescents. If the socket is corroded, clean the contacts before installing the new bulb. For 2019-2021 models with integrated LEDs, replacement may require the entire assembly, costing $100–200. After replacement, test the light to ensure it works. DIY replacements take 10 to 15 minutes. Check RAM forum for model-specific advice. Newer Rams use smart systems requiring module swaps or updates.